Hi everyone, welcome to week 4 of English 101 and Language Seminar. I know that this weekend and week you guys are going to be very busy working on WP1 to submit your first draft on Tuesday at 11 o'clock. And during class, Dr. King will be working with you on those drafts. And during my class, I will be working on a certain part of this. So you can see that she's working on paragraphs, dialogue, thesis, and conclusion. So those are all parts of the rubric that you're going to be using to get graded, the thesis, the paragraphs, and the conclusion. But as you know, there's also a part of the rubric that is going to be about grammar and syntax, especially run-ons, fragments, ambiguous pronouns, and spelling errors. So in my class, on Tuesday, we will be working on this, on all of these, especially on these points. Okay, so hopefully that will be helpful to you. Then she's going to give you, on Thursday, she's going to host conferences for you where you can meet with her one-on-one. And this is her sign up, right, that you can use to make a time, an appointment to meet with her. So my advice to you is make an appointment as soon as possible to meet with her. Those conferences are optional, but for you, I really recommend it. She's going to send you a video with some comments about your essay, but if you meet with her during this time, she can answer any questions that you have about it. And she can help you. So if you say, like, I don't know how to do the conclusion, she can talk with you and kind of give you some advice about it. Okay. Now, those are the conferences with Dr. King, which are Thursday, and they're like 11 to 1:15. So they're about 10 minutes each that you're going to be able to meet with her. I am also going to host conferences with you, and those are posted in the language seminar link, and they're going to be posted here in the announcements. I haven't posted them yet, but you can also find them in learning modules and week 4, which is where we're at now, week 4. So they're in the activities folder. You can also, I will post them right on the announcement. So first make an appointment with Dr. King. After your appointment with her, I think you should make an appointment with me. In fact, you're required to make an appointment with me. This is a requirement for the class. So for Dr. King's class, the conference is optional. For my class, the conference is required. But you have a little more flexibility because you can also do the conference online on WebEx, okay? Or you can, and some conferences are on Thursday and some conferences are on Friday. You can also email me to make a different time if none of these conferences times work for you. But these are required, absolutely required. Why do you have to meet with me if you already met with her? I'm going to help you with a grammar and syntax. So I'm going to help you fix any grammar issues, and I'm going to help you learn any of the grammar problems that you are having. If you don't have any ideas and you want to brainstorm, I will help you brainstorm also. I will answer questions. I mean, I think she will answer any questions you have, but maybe you still are not 100% sure about something after your conference with her. I will try to help you with that. So you should just go ahead and you just click in the box, type your name, and then for mine, I would like you to say if it's in person or online. So I am going to be in the Cultural Center, which is D281 from 12 to 2. That's my time to tutor there. But I can also meet you online during that time. And Friday, I also have more flexibility, either online or in my office. Okay. This is because we really want your essay to just be in great shape before you turn that final draft in. Okay. Because once you turn that final draft in, that's going to be about 10% of your grade for the class. So we want to make sure that's good. So remember, this is the rubric that they're going to use to grade your essay. And some of the grammar and syntax points are run-ons, fragments, pronouns, and spelling errors. On Tuesday in class, I will talk about all 4 of those. You can also find extra links here on Blackboard to help you with each of these. So this one, for example, is about comma splices. Fused sentences is another way of saying run-on sentence. So each of the points here, I linked a document that can help you understand that a little more. I will also talk on Tuesday about Grammarly for those people who are not using it. Okay, and then we are going to do a little bit of homework, which will be due on the 20th. And you also have the week 3 homework, which is for for the 13th. Okay, so this one is going to be a little bit longer paragraph, at least 250 words. And there's 5 questions about WP2, about your process of writing, what you learned, and what you plan to do the same or differently last time. Remember, all the videos are always posted here for our class. It takes us to a YouTube link where you can find the one. And all the homework is always posted here also, so you can see the homework, assignments, and the deadlines. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. But just as a reminder, very important to make that appointment. Go ahead and, the earlier you make your appointment, the time, then that way you get to choose the best times. And yes, I look forward to sitting with you, reading your essay, and giving you individual feedback. Really, conferences are like the best time to learn more and to really get help. And I'm nice, I promise, but I know I will help you with your conference. Okay, you don't have to talk the whole time. I will talk, and it will be great. Okay, so I think that's it. Thanks, guys. We'll see you next week.